Israel's war on Gaza has created the conditions for polio to re-emerge here for the first time in a quarter of a century. Now the race is on to stop the highly contagious virus from spreading across the Strip. Hamas and Israel have agreed to limited pauses in fighting so children can be vaccinated. The UN Agency for Palestinian Refugees says the vaccination campaign is working, but it's complicated.
والله احنا متخوفين يعني انه
At first, we had some concerns about the type of vaccine itself, but since it was announced by the Health Ministry, this gives us some reassurance. That's why we rushed, hoping we could provide more protection to our children.
The teams are currently in southern Gaza.
This is one of the designated vaccination sites in Khan Yunis. We have been seeing parents queuing up here to ensure their children are getting the shot, but they're still worried by the unsanitary conditions caused by the shortage of toilets and clean water.
There are other challenges too. The health ministry says Israel has been refusing to allow medical teams accesses to communities living in the eastern side of cities in southern Gaza.
As polio was detected in Gaza, we were worried the vaccine could not be made available to us. The same applies to hepatitis and other skin diseases. Many of these diseases are quite serious and can cause death. We're grateful the vaccine is now available for our children in the Gaza Strip.
The health system in Gaza has virtually collapsed. It wouldn't be able to handle an outbreak of polio. The UN is hoping to give 640,000 children 2 shots, a month apart. It says at least 90% coverage is needed to prevent the virus from spreading across the Strip and even internationally. The vaccination campaign was launched after a 10-month-old baby was diagnosed with polio last month and has been partially paralyzed.